Action.
Got it.
Hello, boys and girls. It's the fashionably sound instructor here, Mr. Cunningham. Yours truly. I figured you want to talk about naming binary covalent compounds. In fact, I've been, how can I say it? A lot of people have been sliding in my DM saying, instructor, teach us about nomenclature of binary covalent compounds. So, let's do it. We've been talking about ionic and covalent bonds. We can tell what kind of bond is holding the two elements together because we look at the periodic table, and if it's covalent, it will be all nonmetals bonded together. Binary means two. So we're only going to name binary covalent compounds. You want to get into the other stuff, you take more chemistry, then you get into the, the sexier molecules, the 1-methyl-2-chlorobutadiene, those kinds of things. But right here, we're going to keep it very simple. You can look this website up. It's Kim Purdue. They have some very fascinating information and quizzes, and that's what we're doing. So I'm basically going to walk you through the logic that I have, that I use when I'm naming compounds. So here we go. It says, what is the correct molecular formula? So that means, what's the formula? And they give me the name, dinitrogen dichloride. Now remember last week we talked about those prefixes. I want to go over here. Hopefully I'll be able to get back. Mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, deca. Those are my prefixes for numbers 1 through 10. Those are your babies, okay? Write those in your notes. Write them on the tablets of your heart. So dinitrogen means two nitrogens. So which one has, well, that's only one, that's two, but that's not nitrogen, that's sodium, that's Na. Nitrogen's N, so dinitrogen dichloride. So there's two nitrogens and two chlorine. There it is, dinitrogen dichloride. Remember the second one ends in IDE, all right? So it's that baby. Look at that. How's that feel inside? Pretty good? Nice. Okay. I won't do them all, but I'll do enough where you'll be able to get the pattern. So, what's the correct name for this? So we go to the periodic over here. Arsenic is AS. Okay, AS is arsenic. And F is fluorine, but remember it's the second one, so it's going to end in "ide." Well, how many arsenics? Arsenic atoms, there's one. We never use mono for the first element, so I won't say mono arsenic, I'll just say arsenic trifluoride. Arsenic trifluoride. There she is, looking at you. Look at her. How's that feel inside? Pretty warm, doesn't it? To get them right? Pretty good, pretty good. You guys are going places, okay? Now we're back to providing the correct molecular formula. So what's the formula for the compound dichlorine monoxide? We always use a prefix for the second element. Dichlorine. Well, what's chlorine? Cl. There's Cl. That one's out. That's not Cl. That's Cl. That's Cl. That's Cl. Okay, so which one is dichlorine? Not that one. Not that one. So we're down to that one. Well, that's got to be it because that's 4. That's tetrachlorine. It's got to be that one. Dichlorine monoxide. 3 for 3. Are you kidding me? God, I wish I could moonwalk right now. I feel so good. All right, let's go to the next one. Are you guys having fun out there?
Woohoo! We having fun? Say we're having fun.
We're having fun.
Yeah.
No.
All right, now, what is the correct name for the compound Cl2 or ClO2? So that's chlorine dioxide. Chlorine, never use mono for the first element. dioxide. Let's find chlorine dioxide. Now we're getting tricky. We got 4. 4 what? 4 chickens? No. P. Phosphorus. Okay? Notice everything I'm using is to the right of this stair step because everything to the right is a non-metal. We're only talking non-metals. Everything to the left, those are your metals. That would be later. So all of these are non-metals. Tetraphosphorus. Which one says tetraphosphorus? Out. That's out. That's out. Tetraphosphorus. What is that? 6 is hexa. Okay? Hexaoxide. There we go. I could do this all day. If this was an Olympic event, I'd be a gold medalist. Let's do one more. 6 times is a charm is what they say. What is the correct molecular formula for antimony trichloride? Antimony. Boop. There she is. Now, a little bit of an exception. Antimony touches this line, and it is to the left. It's what we call a metalloid or semiconductor, which by rule we use or name it as if it is a non-metal, because it is not a metal. Okay, same is true with germanium. All right, so antimony is SB. So I know I better have SB. There's 4 of them with SB, but there only better be one SB because it says antimony with no prefix. So that could be it, that one, or that one. That one's out. Antimony trichloride. Trichloride. Listen, boys and girls, I don't know about you, but I've had fun. Hopefully this sheds some light on the intricacies of naming binary covalent compounds. Until next time, peace.